Welcome to Hitch Tutorials. This is our 82 by 20 14K Magnum flatbed rice trailer, 14,000 Gvwr, 6-inch channel mainframe, 6-inch channel full wrap tongue, heavy duty steel fabricated fenders, 10K drop leg jack, stake pocket tie downs, treated floors, 3-inch channel crossmembers on 16-inch centers, 2-foot steel dovetail, 5-foot stand-up equipment style ramps with spring assist, 2 slipper spring brake axles, emergency breakaway kit, all LED lights, fully sealed modular wiring harness, ST235 80R 16-inch 10-ply radial tires and wheels, 2 5/16 adjustable coupler with 6-hole bracket, steel grip blasted, degreased, phosphatized, hot water pressure, washed, sealed, and fully powder coated. Log on to 918 Trailers to see our full inventory or call us at 918-286-7900 and see why we can be your trailer shop. Thanks for joining us today.